What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be unboxing the new iPad Smart Keyboard. I just purchased my iPad 10.5-inch iPad Pro, and I've been using it for about a week without the keyboard. Pretty slick, but I know it's something we're missing because I needed this kind of to protect the screen, and also I needed a keyboard. So I opted to get the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard just to have a little bit more fun, and also to be able to type on the go. So I'm gonna be just a quick unboxing, then I'll make a video for a full review. So basically, let's not waste time, let's get right into it. I already take out the little plastic cover from there, so this is how it looks. This is the packaging. I guess there's only one color in this type of keyboard. I know Logitech has another one, but the reason why I didn't go with the Logitech is because it was kind of bulky, and I mean, this iPad doesn't deserve a bulky case or keyboard type, so that's why I opted to get the Apple one, so which is sleek and nice. So here's the keyboard itself. Let's enjoy the moment right here when we open the little. Oh, I love that feeling. So nice. I like also that it has a kind of microfiber here that will protect your screen and also clean it pretty much. So it's really lightweight. Really soft touch here, feels really nice. I already liking the feeling of it. So let's go put the keyboard. So here we go. Voila! Whoa! I get this keyboard is a little bit bigger. Of course, it's a 10.5-inch iPad now, so probably it will be better for typing. I kind of feel a little bit better quality. I had the previous model keyboard for the iPad Pro 9.7, and I don't know, I didn't like as much, but this one has like I don't know if you can hear, little quick, little noiser, and I feel like more like a natural keyboard in the previous model. Let's not waste time. Let's put it on the iPad to see how it looks. You see how it feels. Let's see. Oh, I like that, how it just snap on the keyboard. So here we go, guys. This is the iPad Pro with the new keyboard. I'm gonna zoom in so you can take a look at it a little bit better. From the back. Really liking it. Nice touch feel to it. Like it has is a little bit bigger now, so looking forward to use this as my daily driver. So I'll be doing a review video about this keyboard after a week or so using it. I'm really loving the iPad, so not complaining. I think it's a must purchase because of what you get. You get better screen. You know what I mean? It just looks better to me. So let's see how it looks. Fold it. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. You know, slickness, because I know it doesn't protect the back of it, but I don't drop my stuff. If you worry about dropping, you can snap on just one of those back covers that are really cheap on Amazon or whatever, you know what I mean? So right now I'm not gonna do that, and I use it like that because I like the slickness, and also be able to just do this. That's it. Voila. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be making more video about it. And if you like, subscribe, hit thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.